Have you ever thought about your brake fluid? Probably not, right? It's one of those out of sight, out of mind things until it becomes a problem. Neglecting your brake fluid could lead to spongy brakes or, worse, complete brake failure. So, how can you tell when it's time for a change? First, take a look at your brake fluid. Pop the hood, locate the reservoir, and check the color. Fresh brake fluid is clear or slightly yellow. If it's dark or murky, it's time to replace it. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air, which lowers its boiling point and reduces braking efficiency. Another sign is a mushy or soft brake pedal. If your pedal feels spongy or takes longer to engage, it might not just be the pads. Your fluid could be the culprit. This is especially risky during emergency stops when you need your brakes to respond instantly. Also, pay attention to your dashboard. Some cars have a warning light specifically for brake fluid levels. If that light comes on, don't ignore it. It's like your car waving a red flag at you. Still not sure? Here's a rule of thumb. Brake fluid should generally be replaced every 2 to 3 years, but check your owner's manual for specifics. A quick visit to your mechanic can also confirm if it's overdue. Brake fluid might not be as flashy as new tires or a shiny paint job, but it's the unsung hero of your car's safety. Have you checked yours lately? Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving car tips.